Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, where I make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And also don't forget, I'm going to do a Q&A for my 2-year channel anniversary. So if there's a question you would like to ask me, go ahead and ask me in the comments. Just put Q&A and the question, and I will answer it in a 2-year anniversary video. There's some questions you have about coffee, about myself, as long as it's not too personal and not too crazy, I will answer your questions. And I'll also do another fun giveaway, so make sure you leave me your questions. And today is finally a cold winter day here in California. It's raining, it's cold, so you know what that means. It's time for cafecito time. Today's cafecito, I wanted to share a recipe that I thought would be perfect for this cold, rainy weather. I have my cozy sweater. I'm going to make my coffee and maybe watch some Netflix for tonight. So today I want to share a recipe because lately I've been hearing a lot about oat milk, the new trend in a milk alternative. And I decided to finally buy some and try some. And see how it would work with coffee. A lot of people have said in the Nespresso group and just online in general that it is a really good tasting milk alternative. So this is the one I bought, Chobani Oat plain, just the plain one, so you could add your flavors or whatever you want. But I decided to try a recipe in making an oatmeal cookie latte. Yum, that just sounded so good. There's nothing like the warm oatmeal cookie when it's cold, when you want to feel cozy. So I thought, let's try an oatmeal cookie latte. So this is what you need. You're going to need some oat milk of your choice. You could buy any brand you like. I just bought the Chobani plain. Oh, and it's made with organic oats. And I'm going to use about 5 ounces of oat milk. You're going to need some brown sugar, and I'm using light brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to need some vanilla extract. You could use vanilla extract or vanilla syrup if that's what you have, but I'm going to use vanilla extract because that's what you use when you bake. And my favorite bianco leggero double espresso shot, because this has some very sweet, mild cereal type notes. So I thought this would probably be perfect. And then to top it off, we're going to dust it with some cinnamon. So let's get started. First and foremost, I got to turn on my machine. I always forget to turn it on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to froth my milk. And this was another debate that I saw, that a lot of people said they love the flavor of the oat milk, but it doesn't froth as well as dairy milk, obviously. So let's try it. So this is a 2-in-1 video testing out the frothiness. And let me put on my little froth attachment to my Arrowchino. So we're gonna put that in there and then we'll see. Okay, there it goes. While that is frothing, I'm going to put my 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in here. And you could use less, you could use more, just depending on, I guess, how sweet you like it or how much milk you're going to use. Let's see. I'm going to, ooh, this is a brand new one. I hadn't opened this one. So let's open the little seal of this. I'm going to do half a teaspoon. Maybe a tiny little bit more. So like I said, this is just depending on your taste. You could do half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. You could not add the vanilla, just whatever you guys want. Okay, so now we're going to brew our coffee into our sugar. Oh, has that happened to you guys before? That happens sometimes with certain capsules, they get stuck. Okay, let's screw our shot in there. I'm actually excited. Oh, you guys, it did froth pretty good. Wow, smells good. So I'm excited to try this. And the reason I'm, usually I would put the milk in here and then brew the coffee on top of it. But this time I'm doing the coffee first because I'm going to mix it with the sugar and the vanilla just so it gets all incorporated really good. Okay. So let me know if you guys enjoy these recipes. I know last time when I did my video, if you haven't watched it, comparing the shots, that I mentioned a recipe for tres leches, which I will do. I just don't have the tres leches. So when I gather all the ingredients, I will be making this recipe. But let me know if you guys like these coffee recipes, and also if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for coffee recipes, let me know. Okay. So make sure you mix in the sugar, the brown sugar, and the vanilla really good. Oh my God, it already smells really good. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my milk in here. So I'm going to pour the milk for my latte. And it's only 5 ounces, so you could make it, you know, a lot. A bigger drink. Now I'm going to pour. Oh, this did, look at that, is a pretty good froth. So one trick, when I first bought the oat milk, it didn't froth, but my bad, you have to shake it. So whenever you get oat milk and you want to froth it, it froths pretty good actually. You just really need to shake it up really good. Because I guess it settles, and when it settles, it just doesn't froth. But that looks pretty frothy to me. I'm going to put the foam on there. Oh, this smells good already. Okay, and now we can put our cinnamon sprinkle on top. Okay. And this little duster sometimes comes out too much, but oh yeah, it's already starting to smell like a cookie, but there it is. I'll show you guys my latte there. So that's a pretty good froth. Now let's taste it. So oatmeal cookie latte. Let me mix it up a little bit. Pretty good, but I think it needs a little more cinnamon. I mean, a little more vanilla. A little more vanilla. Like I said, you can adjust it to your taste because if you like it sweeter, you could add more sugar, less sugar, more vanilla, or even the vanilla syrup. Oh yeah. So I think 1 tablespoon of sugar and maybe 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That tastes really yummy. Oh. I'm actually really liking oat milk for coffee, you guys. This is actually really good. I'm not on any dairy restriction. I could drink regular dairy milk, but sometimes, you know, you want something different. And one thing I noticed about the non-dairy milks kind of brings out the coffee flavors a little more. So definitely try it out if you're curious about oat milk, or if you want an alternative to regular dairy milk, check it out and make yourself an oatmeal cookie latte. And I think I need a little more cinnamon. You could even try adding cinnamon syrup or extra. I don't know, play around with it. A lot of times online, I'll find a recipe and I'll adjust it to the ingredients I have, or if it's something that I don't think I would like that ingredient, I adjust it. So don't be afraid to play with your coffee. But definitely try this out. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know if you have tried oat milk. Let me know if you have tried oat milk in your coffee. If you like it, do you have a recipe to share with me for your oat milk? I've also seen a lot of iced coffee recipes with oat milk, but this was definitely pretty tasty. Keeps you warm, keeps you cozy for this cold winter months. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my little quick oatmeal cookie latte recipe. Make sure you give our video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these videos, if they've been helpful, and if you guys are enjoying them, give them a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscription, hit the notification so you know when our videos are coming out every Wednesday, every Sunday, Wednesday. And that's it, guys. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you're enjoying all these cafecito videos. We'll see you guys next week. Bye. Yum. I am really liking oat milk.